Hi again from ATFX. Global shares reversed losses after US Fed Chair Powell reaffirmed interest rates would stay low for a long time, calming inflation concerns and monetary policy tightening fears. Powell stated on Tuesday during his testimony before the Senate Banking Committee that the economy remained a long way from employment and inflation goals, and that the rates would stay low and bond buying proceeds apace until there was substantial further progress. In a second day of testimony in Washington, Powell reiterated the Fed's promise to get the U.S. economy back to full employment and to not worry about inflation. In equities, Johnson & Johnson one-dose COVID vaccine appeared effective by FDA trials on its way to get emergency approval. Johnson & Johnson stock then rose 1.3% on successful claims. And on Wall Street, investors have been rotating out of tech-heavy stocks and into different categories, driving the Dow higher 2.35%, outperforming gains on the Nasdaq. In the currency market, the USD hovered near three-year lows after dovish signals from the Fed. The sterling steadied at 1.41 after reaching 1.43 overnight for the first time since April 2018. In commodities, copper surged by 3% to its highest level in almost a decade, while gold dropped below the 1,800 mark yet again, struggling to stay steady on the back of higher U.S. Treasury yields and easy monetary policy from the Fed. Oil prices rose to fresh new highs after U.S. government data showed a drop in crude output. As a deep freeze disrupted production last week, Brent rose to $67.33, while WTI rose 0.25% to $63.40. That was all from ATFX. Thank you for watching.